Chapter 27. Bagging the Multi-Bagger Stocks. You would have often come across this term multi-bagger stocks in newspaper or on the financial news channels. So let's understand the real concept is news buzz. Multi-bagger stocks are those stocks that fetch huge returns that are multiple times their initial investment cost. Such stocks generate not just huge profits but tremendous wealth to let you live life king size. It is due to multi-bagger stocks that the stock investment experts and the ideal of many, Warren Buffett, created a multi-billion worth. He was fortunate enough to have chosen the multi-bagger stock at the right time. How to pick the multi-bagger stocks? Number 1. Identify a company that sells in mass volume and has premium margin. The stocks of such companies prove out to be multi-bagger stocks. Any company can either compromise on selling in volumes or earning great margins. It is very difficult for a company to excel in both business model. Maruti, for instance, is known for selling in volumes, whereas Mercedes is known for earning huge margins. Here are a few examples of multi-bagger companies that have excelled in selling in huge numbers in premium price. Foreign companies, Starbucks, Apple, etc. Apple products are the costliest with respect to their competitors, and yet Apple's products are able to land in the hands of almost every alternate household. This is only possible because of its unique design and customer-friendly interface. People are loyal towards the brand and stickiness is such that they always come back to its product. Domestic company, Eicher Motor, Page Industries, or Jockey Brand Innerwear, etc. Royal Enfield Bullet, manufactured by Eicher Motors, is sold in huge volumes, that too at a very high price. Why? Well, this bike's model and engine has never been updated in the last many years. The beauty of this model is its nostalgia. Without any drastic upgradation of features or change in design and style, Bullet is the highest selling bike of Eicher Motors. The stocks of this company have multiplied over 100 times in the last 10 years, thus making them multi-bagger stocks. Number 2. Scan the environment. Find out how is the track record of the management of the company. How has the company been performing in the past? What are the future growth aspects of the industry? You must try to gather all such necessary details about the company before investing in it. Number 3. Is the company benefiting out of the passing trend or is its competitive advantage sustainable? Never invest in companies that are temporarily benefited out of a change of policy or any other external environmental factor, as you would lose out all on your money soon when the benefit of the passing trend are withdrawn from the company. One real life example of the same is the graphite industry in India. Back in November 2018, China introduced a policy ban on steel mills to check the pollution caused by the rising level of smoke. So China started importing graphite from companies like India to suffice its manufacturing needs. As a result, graphite industry started seeing an upsurge, resulting in a stock price hike of companies like Graphite India and HEG. Later, in 2019, the competition in the graphite industries rose, and then export to countries like China and Iran was curbed. So the profit margin of Graphite India and HEG dropped drastically. Now, if as an investor you would have picked up a stock of Graphite India, your money would have been at stake. So the lesson learned here is to check if the company has sustainable profit or it is just the benefit temporarily due to some favorable circumstances. The hunt for 100 times returns. The small cap and mid cap funds are looked upon as the funds with high returns. But these funds come with their inherent risk, as there are many factors that influence these stocks. For example, a few years back, small cap funds were looked upon as the most promising investment, and they did give excellent returns to the investors. But now, in the past year, the small cap funds have been suffering from huge losses and are still declining further in their price.